Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here is your maths teacher, Miss Kiran Bano of grade 5 from the Trust School. I hope all of you will be perfectly alright. Today we are going to do mathematics summer packs page that is related to fraction and decimals. In this page, you are supposed to write this model fraction in decimals and in fractions as well. To make its concept very clearly, let's have a look of these fractions. The fraction is equal part of a whole. नीचे आपको एक डायग्राम गिवन है जिसमें 4 ब्लॉक्स हैं और इसके आगे 1/4 लिखा है. 1/4 is a fraction actually. Let me introduce you the parts of fraction first of all. Upper part is called numerator and the below one part is called denominator. Okay. The total blocks that are given to you, these are always written in denominator and the color parts is always written in the numerator. So in this way you can easily write down the fraction when it is given in the forms of blocks or in any other forms, the color parts and the total parts, if you know that what is written in the numerator and what is written in the denominator. After that, here is the decimal poster for you. This decimal poster is illustrating that how to place decimal point. If there is in the denominator 10, 100, 1000 or any other tens family member, then count the zeros. How many number of zeros are there? In the similar way, आप numerator के digit में from the very right side उतने ही digits count करेंगे and after leaving those digits the same number जो कि denominator में जितने zeros हैं तो आप place कर देते हैं decimal point. For example, in the very first example there is 9/10. In the denominator there is only one zero. So you count the number of digits in the numerator, that was 9, one digit, and then you place the decimal point after that. And if we see the very last example, in the decimal poster there is 90/100, two digits in the numerator 09 and two zeros in the denominator. We counted the two digits in the numerator and then we place the decimal point. Simple. And in the coming example, there is 6/10, 6/100 and 6/1000. In 6/10, there is only one zero in the denominator. You counted the one digit and you placed decimal point. In 6/100, there are two zeros. And in the numerator, you completed two digits by placing the zero on its left side and then you place the decimal point, so on. Keep one thing in your mind कि अगर आपके digits complete नहीं हैं, जितने नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स के बाद आपको डेसिमल पॉइंट प्लेस करना है तो आप उसकी कमी ज़ीरो के थ्रू कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. वेल, द पेज दैट इज़ गिवन टू यू, इट्स वेरी मच ईजी. दैट इज़ ओनली कंटेनिंग 10 in the numerator, so you can place decimal point in each block after leaving one digit from the very right side. That's all for today. Stay home, stay safe, remember me and all your teachers in your precious prayers. Stay blessed. Take care.